6 Interesting fact about Puerto Plata in Dominican Republic. The first interesting fact about Puerto Plata is Cabarete. It's considered one of the best in the world for kiteboarding. Goog, a place for beginners to learn and for experts for fun. The second interesting fact about Puerto Plata is Playa Dorada. Is one of the best beaches in the Dominican Republic, full of tourist activity, with all-inclusive resorts, live merengue music, restaurants, hotels, and shopping centers. The third interesting fact about Puerto Plata is Mood Isabel de Torres. These 2,600-foot mountain with stunning panoramic views of the city, the Atlantic Ocean, and beaches, which tourists enjoy with cable cars, the only in the Caribbean. The fourth fact about Puerto Plata is the Ambar Museum of Puerto Plata. The Amber Mine is located around Puerto Plata. It's a gemstone only. Found in Dominican. In the museum you will find insects, plants, frozen in time and perfectly preserved. The fifth fact about Puerto Plata is Damajagua Waterfalls. Is the top natural attraction in Puerto Plata. Tourists can have the opportunity to swimming, jumping, from the water slides. The sixth fact about Puerto Plata is Sosua Beach. Is a sheltered beach with the influence of Jews and Europeans, with shady trees and buzzes vendors. In winter, is a spot of migrating whales in a bay. If you like this video, please share, like and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel TOURIBBEAN.